Stick around to see how you can create this awesome mistletoe suncatcher and this adorable snowman craft with your little ones in minutes. And it's so easy. You're gonna wanna see this. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
I'm so glad you decided to stick around because you are going to love the crafts that I have for you today. So we're going to start out by making this adorable mistletoe, which is like a sun catcher for the window. And we will also make a snowman out of toilet paper rolls. Y'all know I love my toilet paper rolls. The materials that you're going to need for this activity is down in the description box below. I have put timestamps in there if you're in a hurry and you want to just kind of get through which craft you are interested in. Also, guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video and click that red subscribe button so that you can know every time that I post and don't miss a beat of all my creative crafts. We're gonna go ahead and get started, and we're gonna do the mistletoe craft first. Here we go.
All right, so we're gonna start with our baking sheet, and you're gonna line that with some wax paper or parchment paper, whichever you got works. Then you're gonna get your droppers. We're gonna use 2 for each color, and then your coffee filters. We ended up using about 6 coffee filters. So a little bit of water, y'all, just a tad bit of water and about 7 drops of each color. If you want more pigment, then do more, but 7 or 8 will be good. And start demonstrating how to drop the colors on the coffee filter for your kids. So now she was struggling a little bit, so I had to kind of guide her. So don't be afraid to teach them, parents, you know, how to squeeze the droplet and let the water come out. So I had to coach her, and after that, she was good to go.
Yes, very nice. Do it again. Squeeze, drop. Okay. Squeeze and drop. Squeeze and drop. For real. Now give it what you got. Go, Kimmy. Yay! Squeeze and drop. Good job.
So now you know you're done when it's all saturated and just like this. So you want it to dry and leave it to dry. Now if you're in a rush, you can blow dry it just like we are doing here, but it really just takes like a day or so, or half a day. And now you're ready to make your shapes. So cut out some circles for the red one, and then cut out some leaf shapes for the green one. Now ignore those ended up being our struggle ones because I did not put enough color. So definitely put 8 drops. See, now this one is red because I did about 8 drops of food coloring. So that shows you how it looks when it's not pigmented versus pigmented. So the more drops, the better. So circles are cut out, leaf shapes are cut out, and now you just want to glue them together. So I put about 3 berries together. Sometimes I did about 5. It depends on how full you want yours to look. And then you're going to surround it with your leaves. So check it out. Now if you don't want to do the berries first, you can always put the leaves together and then stick the berries on top. That may be easier for some of y'all, especially for the little ones. So try whatever method works for you guys, honestly. Now flip it over, and you want to put berries on the other side too, because if you're putting it on the window, it's going to be seen on both sides. So you want both sides to look pretty like this. Now grab your tape dispenser, make a little tape ball, stick that on the back, put it on the window, and it's done. And it should look just like this. Beautiful, right? Look how they glow.
Wasn't that an adorable mistletoe craft? I just loved how that turned out. So let's go ahead and move to the next one.
All right, so you're gonna start with your white paint. Go ahead and put that in a plate or whatever you want to use and start painting your toilet paper roll. So after your roll is all done and dry, you're ready to move on to the next part. So you're going to need your scissors, googly eyes. You're going to need pom-pom balls if you have that, or if you don't, I just used small berries I had from a flower arrangement. I pulled that off, and those are going to serve as the buttons on the snowman. And then I have cotton, so that'll be my pom-pom balls. Just cut them in half and then roll them into a tight ball shape, and there you go, pom-pom balls made at home. Hey, I told y'all, use what you got, man. Don't go out and buy anything. And then I use a piece of felt I cut in a small triangle for the nose. So start by gluing the pom-pom ball or cotton ball, whatever you got, on the side of the head. Then you want to get your pipe cleaner, and you're going to kind of measure it out and make sure it's the length of your paper roll, and then give it a little bit more because you're going to curve it. You're going to make the band of the headphones. It could be headphones or ear muffs. I guess I was essentially making ear muffs, but they look like headphones. So anyway, so put your glue inside. We use hot glue, and this is where you're going to hang it on your tree. Now, if you don't have hot glue, I think tape works fine too. So you can use some tape in the inside and tape it. Put your googly eyes on, and now glue your nose. And then you're going to make the scarf. So go ahead and use the rest of that pipe cleaner you had from earlier. Wrap it around, midway around the snowman. Leave a little bit of room for the smile, because we still got to do that. And then just twist it on the side. Twist it so it doesn't move. And there you go. And the last step, you're going to use a Sharpie or a black marker and make the little smile, and there it is, all done. So now if you're thinking to yourself, oh, that's a little too hard, my child could never do that. Well, my 10-year-old nephew just happened to come by at the right time, and I put him to work, honey. Well, I suggest this craft for maybe kids 6 and up, but you really could do it with the 2-year-old. You just have to guide them a lot. And now that you're done, hang it on the tree and watch them shine. You can hang them by the earmuffs and they will stay. That's why we use hot glue for that. Isn't this cute?
Hey guys, thank you for spending time with me today and finding out how to make these cool crafts with your kids.
And now it's time for the creator spotlight. And that spotlight goes to Devlin, and she did a great job with her turkey plate, and she watched my last video and had her mommy tag me on Instagram so I could see her product, and girl, it turned out better than mine. If you want your child to be featured as the next spotlight, please tag me on Instagram. All my information is in the description box below, and I will be happy to celebrate their wonderful achievements. So guys, thanks so much for watching, and please stay tuned to see how we created these gorgeous little Santa plates. You're gonna want to watch this. Stay tuned.